15, 3 centimeters. So guys, on the first day, the unit of measurement we used were paper clips. The second day was using inches, which are a little bit bigger. We look at the inch side, and today we're gonna flip our ruler around and we're gonna use centimeters. So it probably says cm. So remember, we're not gonna start at the edge of the plastic or the wood. We're actually gonna start on that 0 mark and start measuring right here. So the idea today is, again, we're just gonna kind of be estimating and then measuring. So anything you can think of that's about 1 centimeter. So like, I'm gonna quickly jot down, actually, the end of a paper clip is about 1 centimeter. So you can write a word, you could draw a picture, you can just follow along. Something else that's about 1 centimeter. Ooh, the end of my key. That's about, I'm guessing, 1 centimeter. The part that like goes in right here. That's probably about 1 centimeter. I have some little earrings so my ear is shaped like, I don't know. There's an earring right there. So that could be about 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters. So if I look at my ruler, okay, from here to here, make sure you're on the centimeter side. Something that's about 10 centimeters. Oh, I'm gonna say like the little bins that we put our dice in. So the dice cup, that's probably about 10 centimeters. So you're just getting an idea. Oh, our phonics cards at the front are probably about 10 centimeters, like the one that says oi, right? Like all those little cards, and there's a little picture. So our centimeter cards, or our phonics cards, probably about 10 centimeters. Okay, 100 centimeters. This is what I really want to show you. So there's no way to flip it. Oh, good timing. I'm literally filming. Can you help me, Miss Johnson?
Yeah.
Guys, okay. Okay, good. I'm going to show them 100 centimeters because I can't flip while I'm filming, apparently. Okay, you guys are going to go on a crazy ride. I'm unplugging you. Yay! Okay. Oh, say hi to Miss Johnson. She was waving at you. Okay. This, guys, is 100 centimeters. Dun, dun, dun. So this is actually a yardstick. On this side, it shows inches up to 36. And then if I flip it over, I don't know how close you can get. You can see like 1 centimeter is what we're doing. Mm-hmm. And then 10 centimeters is the next estimation. And then 100 centimeters. So clearly I am taller than 100 centimeters. Probably everyone in my class is too. But this is so you have an estimation idea. Thank you, Ms. Johnson. Give her a round of applause in your parts. Okay. Oh, I wonder if it went upside down. I think it was filming this way. I think you guys just watched me upside down. You know what? It's fine. It's okay. Hopefully you understood it. Pretty sure that I was upside down. So basically just right side up real fast. 1 centimeter, 10, and 100. Boom! All the way to there. Thanks, Ms. Johnson. Okay, so something that's 100 centimeters might be like the table that you use at school, like the long ones that you sit on. Something else is 100 centimeters is probably, the white lamp that's by the door. There's like a big, tall white lamp that's made of paper, so that's probably about 100 centimeters. Okay, so a lot of times a bookshelf, probably about 100 centimeters. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be using centimeters. And remember, just like yesterday, if it's in between not like a perfect centimeter measure, which is likely, you're going to go to the nearest centimeter. So if it's at the halfway mark or higher, you're going to round up. So here, this cube is over half, so it's going to actually round to 2 centimeters. If it was less than half, you're going to round down. Okay, so you're finding the nearest one. So the cube is about 2 centimeters long. Okay, so you're just estimating the number, and that's okay. Here, an object that's shorter than a halfway mark. So here's a paper clip. If we come down, yeah, it's more than 3, but it's not to the halfway mark. So we're going to come down, and we're going to say that it's actually about 3 centimeters long. So again, if you're at home, if you don't have this stuff, like, don't sweat it. You don't have a stapler? Fine, switch it out, cross it out. Write something else out. You can use a cheese grater in your kitchen. You can use a curling iron. You can use, Miss Johnson, you got any ideas?
Your phone.
Your phone.
Tablet.
Okay, you should have the height of a book. You could probably pick a book and do the height of that. Shoelaces. This is a problem every year. Kids, take a shoe. Okay, see how in this picture they measure like across this part? You're gonna take your, yes, I'm putting my shoe on the desk. You're gonna take your shoelace, line it up with the 0, and then measure it. It's really fun. Okay, that's that. Okay, do you understand? Is the length of a paper clip about 3 centimeters? Explain how you know. So without even measuring it, if you just know in your head, here's a paper clip. Is it about 3 centimeters? Why do you know that? Like, what can you compare it to? Can you compare a paper clip to something else? Okay, how does your brain know without really measuring it? Width of a chair. Find a chair, guys. Width means across. Look at those arrows to help you. Length of a pencil. These are good practice with these words. Again, you all have different size pencils because you might have sharpened it more. Just measure what you have. And the height of scissors. If you don't have scissors, use something else that you haven't measured yet. Okay? Estimation. Josh estimated that Miss Reeves, take a breath. Oh, great. Josh estimated that the length of his reading book is about 6 centimeters. Is this estimation reasonable? Explain. Here's the length. So if you look at 6 centimeters, here's 6 centimeters. Now, I know you don't have his book in front of you, but do you think that he probably measured it correctly? Or do you think that maybe Josh did something wrong? And how do you know? Okay, just imagine like a real book. If you look at 6 centimeters, does that seem like it's right to you? Or does it seem like the unit needs to be changed, the length needs to change? Okay, why do you know? Number 8, problem solving. Paul says a toothbrush is about 15 centimeters long. Sarah says it's about 150 centimeters long. Who is correct, Paul or Sarah? So my suggestion would be to look at 15 centimeters, okay? Decide if that could be about right for a toothbrush. And then 150, it just keeps going, centimeters. Which one do you think is correct and why? You can even talk about place value and how like this is in the tens and ones, this is in the hundreds, tens and ones, and that really does change the length of something. Number 9, Mary wants to know about how long her eraser is to the nearest centimeter. So here's her eraser, which shows about how long Mary's eraser is. Again, we're going to take that line and then you figure out if you're going to round down or to 4 or up to 5. Okay, here are your options. And journal. Draw an object that is about 5 centimeters long. Write 2 sentences to describe your object. 2 sentences means 2 complete ideas with capitals and end marks. Thank you.